What's going on, everybody? We are cleaning up after this clearing project. We got the gravel on here and we're just kind of, I ain't trying to get it smooth, but we're trying to get it at least where he can maintain it. I got this steep, I don't know if y'all can tell it in the camera or not, but this is a steep son of a bitch. Excuse my language, steep son of a gun. What I can clean. We're in a Cat 279C. This belongs to my buddy. I have not had my loader. It's still in Tennessee at my dad's place, and I have not had time to go get it. everybody, this is the end of this project. I got all this cleared. All everything's piled in there. Walk down here in this pond, kind of show everything. I'm waiting on that thing to warm up. I still got to take out them 2 trees right there. And we got to come back and burn this pile. I got everything grayed out with skid steer. Turned out really nice. Here we are, we're down in the pond now. There's a hole in the dam right there I gotta take out. Or I gotta repair. But yeah, this is it. Let me walk up here on top. I just kind of shoved all these roots and stuff down in this thing. I'll clean it out whenever I come fix it. But yeah, here's the back side of this thing. There goes some deer. Deer just went right through there. Yeah, this is a pretty good pile of dang brush up in here. Another pile down there. This pond dam, it needs to be wider across there. So I think what I'm gonna do is after I burn that, I'm gonna come in here with a D5. I'm gonna push everything up and over the dam and do it that way. But I've got to get everything burnt before I can do so. Yep. But yeah, this little project's wrapping up pretty quick. When we come back, I'll make sure we get some good video with the dozer. What's going on, everybody? I didn't get to do an ending on the end of this video, but I'm gonna do one now. I had a phone call interrupt me, and everything went crazy from there. But if you like my stuff, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, leave me some comments, feedback. What do y'all want to see? We'll keep it coming. It's just been a crazy freaking past couple of weeks. Things are fixing to slow down a little bit, hopefully, but we're going to keep pumping some videos out.